Hello, my name's Ian Whitten and I'm from the University of Waikato here in New Zealand, and I want to tell you about our new free online course, Data Mining with Weka. We're overwhelmed by data in the world today. Every time we check out an item at the supermarket, every time we swipe our credit card, every time we send an email, every time we type a keystroke on our computer, every time we make a phone call, send a text, walk past a security camera, they'll generate a little bit of data. Data mining is about taking this raw data and transforming it into something more useful. Information perhaps, or predictions about what might happen next. Predictions that can be used in some way, some useful way in the real world. So let me give you an example. You're standing at the supermarket checkout, and every item that's recorded by the till, of course, and at the end you've got your loyalty card. You give them your loyalty card and they'll give you 2% off, and you'll give them your name and address and access to all sorts of other data, demographic data about people like you and so on. You got lots of bargains today. It's been pretty good thanks to those coupons they sent you in the mail last week. You've been able to stock up on some items that you wouldn't normally buy, but you've bought today because you got some money off. And next week they'll send you some more coupons. They'll take this data, they'll analyze it, they'll include data from thousands or millions of people like you. They do little experiments, to find out if they reduce the price of an item just a little bit, are you going to buy more of that, and so on. And these coupons are a mechanism for individual prices set just for you. So everyone benefits. You get bargains, and everyone loves a bargain. The supermarket sells more stuff, and it's all thanks to data mining. So this MOOC is called Data Mining with Weka. Let me tell you what a Weka is. A Weka actually is a little bird, like its better known relative, the kiwi, found only in the islands of New Zealand and flightless, about the size of a duck actually. I don't know if you can see any ducks in this picture, but it's about just the size of those ducks out there on the lake. And but in our case, Weka is a toolkit, a data mining toolkit, a workbench. Is an acronym for Waikato Environment for Knowledge Analysis. And it was produced here at the University of Waikato. We've had a machine learning project going on here for over 20 years now. We do research on machine learning, and one of the outcomes of that research is this Weka workbench. So a lot of people are starting to take data mining very seriously. You've heard of big data. You might have heard a lot about metadata recently and what you might learn from metadata. But a lot of people find data mining mysterious. And the real aim of this course is to take the mystery out of data mining. Get you some practical experience actually using the Weka toolkit to do some mining on the data sets that we provide, to set you up so that later on you can use Weka to work on your own data sets and do your own data mining. It doesn't involve any programming or anything like that. You're going to be using the tools that we provide, the Weka tools. It might help to know a little bit of elementary statistics, means and variances and standard deviations and so on. You might see a couple of mathematical formulas, but I'll explain those, so don't worry about that. You don't really need any specific mathematical background. The course is going to involve a number of videos like this, short videos, 5 to 10 minute videos, and each one will be followed by a practical activity, typically doing something using the Weka workbench, doing something on your computer. Weka's free open source software. It runs on anything. It runs on Windows, Macs, Linux, anything you want. There'll be some short videos followed by an activity. Might take another 5 or 10 minutes, so we call that a lesson, about 15-20 minutes worth of work. That's a lesson, and there are 6 lessons in each class, and there are 5 classes altogether. Perhaps 1 class a week is the kind of rate at which we'd expect you to take this. So you're going to be doing about maybe 3 hours work a week for about 5 weeks. So to take part in this course, you need a computer, of course, with an internet connection. All the videos are on YouTube. You need a little bit of time. You need a Google account actually to access these things. And you need some motivation and interest in the subject. There's associated with the course is a textbook actually. Here it is. Thank you. It's called Data Mining. It's a really good book on data mining. I know that because I wrote it myself with a couple of friends. And the publisher, Morgan Kaufman, has kindly agreed to give people on the course free access to large chunks of this textbook online. In order to succeed in the course, you get your certificate of completion. There's a couple of assessments, one in the middle of the course and one at the end, and you'll be doing those, and if you do well enough, sufficiently well on those, you'll be getting an official certificate of completion from the University of Waikato. So that's it, data mining with Weka, coming soon to a computer near you. I'm looking forward to it, and I hope to see you there. Bye for now.